How to connect Move to iOS app to iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to connect your Move to iOS app to your iPhone. So first of all, you need to download Move to iOS app in your device, and once you are done installing the application, just click on open and open the app in your device. And after that, you need to agree to the terms and conditions of the Apple. So just click on agree, and after that just click on the settings from the bottom and click on continue, and read the terms and condition of the iOS or the Apple terms and condition in order to transfer your files from your Android device to your iOS device. And after that just simply click on agree again. And now you have to choose whether you want to send automatically your file from your Android device to your iOS device, or you want to send it manually. And after that, you have to find the code in your iOS device in order to enter it in your Android device to connect both the device together in order to transfer the file later on. So just click on continue, and now just find the one-time iOS code from your iOS device while setting up or resetting the device again, and just copy the code from there and paste it right here. And once you are done, your device will connect. Both your iOS device and your Android device will connect together. And after that, you will be able to transfer your different files, documents, photos and messages from your Android device to your iOS device quite easily. So this is basically how you will be able to connect your Move to iOS app to your iPhone. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. And I'll see you the next time.